Hi friends of Movie Room, we are in Durban Cornubia with movie fanatics and enthusiasts, capturing the best moments from the clips of Jumanji, Welcome to the Jungle. And what's your take now that we have movies that we're actually dubbing in isiZulu?
For me, personally, I feel it will be a way for me to learn more isiZulu, since I'm not really a Zulu speaking person. So it's a way that I could learn more.
To see levels and diversity and collaboration and being multilingual is the new South Africa.
Yeah, interesting because okoko bethu abamkhulu ba understand ukuthi movie nje ikhuluma ngani bezalana.
Yeah, what are you speaking?
That is a good thing for others that can hear English, yeah.
And also,
Yes.
There's slightly a language barrier between them and abantu basekhaya. So if let's say about when the local, it will make more sense to them.
Channel
113.
113.
Movie Room.
113.
Hello, buddy. Okay, 113, guys. Size and go 8.
Thank you. Jungle means
Thank you.
exactly.